Egberipapa Leadership Foundation. Who else?
Check the mic, sweet. Your shoe be making you
I welcome each and every one of you to this wonderful occasion. Children, we'll soon dance. After you eat them, we dance. I also want to say a warm welcome to Auntie Joyce. Auntie Joyce, you're welcome. Thank you so much for gracing our Christmas party. When you go around though, the children are waiting to see your beautiful face and they want to get a feel of you. You're welcome. Baby, you're welcome too. Ladies and gentlemen, the floor is open. Item 7 is about to commence. There will be lots of fun, dancing. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
You know something, DJ Clef, you know something.
Okay, what do you make of this fun fair, children prize meal fun fair you have organized today? This is the 7th edition, and you've been consistent on this. What's your message on this regard?
My message is simple. I noticed that over time, as youth and leaders, we grow up to only celebrate ourselves, not minding that we have younger ones that are the future of tomorrow, are the leaders of tomorrow. So I decided someday, in the midst of my celebration, I'm the person who also initiated what they call Bugma Beach Carnival Reloaded. And I've done 3 seasons. But while doing that, I noticed that most of the children want to participate, but they're too young to be in that circle. Then this came to my mind. It means that there should be a reason for me to celebrate these children also. That is what informed the starting of this Egberipapa Leadership Foundation Christ's Meal for Children. This is the 7th season actually, and it has been God all through. I don't celebrate these children as though they are children. The same honor, the same recognition, the same ambience or the environment that the adults are supposed to experience is what we give to the children. Making them comfortable, making them feel that they are very important. Because it is the way you train the child, that is the way he will grow.
God has blessed him. He's giving back to the society. It's unprecedented, these things, these days. You see people, either from the political wing or as individual businessmen or women, God will bless them. They find it difficult to give back to the society. What Honorable Sobomabo Jackrich has displayed today shows that, he's a very simple and God-fearing man. He's a philanthropist in his right. He's giving back to the society what God. And I'm also made to understand this event, he organizes it every year for the past 7 years. When I got the information, he invited me. I carried out a research and I find out that he has been carrying out this event over time. I became interested, and that is why I graced the occasion. And that is why I made the speech I made during my opening remarks, and I ensure that I also contributed on behalf of the council and the good people of Asari-Toru Local Government to encourage him to subsequently, when organizing such events, should always notify the council so we can also partner with him to ensure that we give Asari-Toru kids a better gift, and also, to showcase that we have good philanthropists in Asari-Toru Local Government area.
Happy day
Tamlonye Esther. Happy day, Tamlonye Esther. Happy day, Tamlonye Esther. I will say Napoleon Bomate. On behalf of the Egberipapa Leadership Foundation, you have won yourself full funded scholarship and a learning tablet. Please. The next is Single Precious Ben West.
Don't join. Come on.
Don't join media. Your teacher is waiting for you. Daniel Abo. Daniel Abo, go to that place. Let your teacher. Hello?
Ages 7
Hello?
to 12 years.
She back.
I want to say a big thank you to them. It's not easy to do this thing in this kind of economy. I want to just thank them because this is going to help me academically and in every way.
My name is Ruth Bolebitomba Burson. I'm in SS2. And I'm here to thank Honorable Sobomabo Jackrich for creating this children Christ meal fun fair available even to the ones, even to the needy and the needless, for making those students that are not too bright, for them to brighten up their score, for them to notice. It's going to empower children, going to give them the zeal, going to give them the knowledge, for them to come up in such competitions like this, for them to get greater awards, even anywhere outside the world. So I'm going to say a very big thank you to Honorable Sobomabo Jackrich.
Everybody say you.
I want to say on behalf of my wife and the lovely children, I say thank you very much. God will replenish you. We will all fight together. This is not a political gathering, but I must say the truth. We will all join sin to make River State work again. Hello. God bless you. I appreciate this.